So we've talked about the water collection system outside that collects rainwater off the roof and it goes into those totes. And in that video, we mentioned that water is transferred to the interior tote storage system. So by tote, we mean these big cubes in these metal container things here, and they store water. And so this is non-potable water. You don't drink this. And these two are tied together, and the water from outside, when it gets pumped in through this pipe that comes down, and then we just put this hose into the tank and make sure the water goes in there. These two tanks are connected together down at the bottom, and so what goes into one actually goes into both. And then there's this tube right here that you can look at. It's what's called a sight glass, although this one's rubber. But we can see right here, if we look closely, you can see the water level right there. And that tells us that the water inside this tank is that level. Okay, so we know we got water in there. Now, if you want to use this water, we come around here, and there's a couple of ways to do it. One is you could put a bucket under this valve and open it up. You'll see water flowing out. As long as this valve is open, again, valves like this, the handle is parallel with the pipe flow direction, comes around, comes to this pump, and when this pump switch is in the on position, which is either side basically, not in the center, and our battery is charged, which is over by the garage door over there, then if you turn this faucet on, and we'll see this, the pump here, and you can see the water going through the filter, and you can see the water coming out. So if you turn this valve off, this faucet off, even though the switch is on, because there's no water able to flow, the pump does not run. So it's okay to leave this switch in the on position. So that's how that works. And with that hose, you can fill watering cans, buckets, whatever you need to.